Hey, is it safe to leave your customer database on any social media platform? Have you thought about what if something happens to your social media account? For example, the account was hacked, suspended, or even banned. So all the effort, right, including running ads to generate leads, and you have actually left it on your social media account and it's all gone overnight. How can you continue to serve your customer then? Believe me, it happens because it happens to people like us when we began in those Facebook marketing days. So it's no difference that now on TikTok as a social media platform, same thing is going to repeat itself over and over again to you as a network marketers or any small business owners. Now, in this episode of Let Me Get Real with You, let's discuss about what advanced marketers do in regards to their CRM, the customer relationship management system that they have. Definitely not getting complacent and relying on any social media platform, no matter how fantastic or trending it is. We know. Okay, we learn our lesson the hard way, whereby we lost our customer database overnight. Okay, and these are the countermeasure. But before that, let me show you what do I mean. Taking example of TikTok in-house CRM system. Here we go. So here we go. As you can see, right, this is the TikTok in-house CRM, right, system that I have, activated it. And can you see this is an example of notifications of leads, new leads coming in. That was about a day ago. And let me give you another example. Here's another one. And further down, 2 days ago, I have new leads coming in and so on and so on. Okay, right. So now here's the thing, right? So this is how the in-house TikTok CRM looks like. Okay, right? These are the fresh leads that came in with their email and the contact number that you've given me, right? Okay, through my video contents, right? And there you are. That's what I meant by the in-house, TikTok CRM system to manage your customer database. However, if you leave it down here, if something happens to your social media account, for example, it's being hacked, suspended, it happens. Okay, I got suspended in a way for my TikTok shop, right, for some content violation matters, which is not true, which I made a video about it, right? You can check it out in my feed. And of course, subsequently after the appeal, and it was restored, but there was a huge downtime because of that, right? It's the same thing with the CRM system. So this is an example. Okay, this is what I meant by the social media, right, in-house own CRM system. So it's very risky to depend on any social media platform and leaving your customer database that you have spent so much time and money to accumulate. So what is the countermeasure as advanced marketers do? Okay, this is what we learn as a digital marketer since day one. That is lesson number one from the coaches that mentor us. Right, this is what we do. So in this video, right, as an example, I'm going to show you what CRM system that I'm using, which is external. This is not the any social media platform, but I have always mentioned in my educational content, in my TikTok feed. You can go and check it out over there, which is the system.io, and this is how the your own CRM system will look like. I transfer whatever that I have the leads that I've generated on the TikTok, right? As you can see, I give it a tag, right? You can see these are the TikTok leads, TikTok leads, TikTok leads, TikTok leads, right? Right. Okay. So these are the leads generated on the TikTok, right? Through my video content, and they have submitted their contact information to me, right? To have further, to learn more about what kind of services that I can assist them with in regards to, pivoting online to create multiple sources of income using the internet. So this is the example of what we as digital marketers do, as advanced marketers do in the online space. We will actually set up our own CRM system. We will transfer from any social media platform onto here, right? So take for example, every time when we are going to do that, right, we're going to create a contact information, right, and fill in the blanks over here, right, and give it a tag. Okay, this is one of the example, the action that we're going to take when there's a fresh leads from the social media platform. Okay, another way of doing that would be to import the leads from any social media platform over, right? As you can see here, this is the import contact, right? Okay, import contact. So when we click on this one, it is going to right give us an option to download, right, to upload our this leads file, right? Usually, right, maybe it's some Google form or Excel spreadsheet, okay? And how would you do that is, for example, let's go back to the TikTok CRM system again, right? As you can see from here. Okay, so here we are. This is what I meant by downloading your leads from the TikTok account, right? The leads that you have generated on your TikTok account. So you can, by the way, one small tip, right, for business owners is that you can only access this part, the leads manager, right, using your laptop. You are unable to do so from your smartphone. So, okay, this is the small inconvenience that we have. You have to come here, right, into your business suite and click on the leads manager. And here we are. You highlight all your leads, right, like this. And then next, click on the download button here. And it will go on to download an CSV file for you, right? Over here, can you see? So I'm going to open this up to demonstrate this example completely. And as you can see here, this is what is happening, right? It downloaded for me already, this as an example. And when we have this file ready, let's go back to our own private, right, CRM system. And as a gentle reminder, I'm using the system.io. So should you want to learn more how to register yourself for a lifetime free account, right, DM me or comment below this video if you're watching until now, right? So here we are, and we just click on, right, on that one, attach the leads, and voila, and proceed further by giving the relevant text. Okay, that's how you do it to import it into your own private CRM system. So I hope this is helpful. I'll see you in my next video.